My name is Christian and I welcome you to our channel. This is House of Ideas. What do we do in House of Ideas? This place, this house, we share ideas, knowledge about you, about I myself, our body and our environment. Today we'll be looking at something very important to all of us. The human circulatory system. Human circulatory system. When we talk about human circulatory system, we are talking about how blood and nutrients are being transported around your body. Are you getting it? Human circulatory system, how blood and nutrients are being transported, are being carried from one part of the body to the other for life to be possible. So today, looking at this topic is a very broad topic. It's a topic that we all need to have an understanding of. But today, due to time, we'll be summarizing it. So when we talk about human circulatory system, when we talk about system, remember, we are talking about different organs joined together performing one work. Now, we have the heart. The heart. We have the blood vessel. The blood vessels. Then we have the blood itself. Now, these three things together form the human circulatory system. The heart, which is the main organ of circulation, the blood vessels. The blood vessels are the channels, are the tube through which this blood passes through. Then the blood is the main transporter, the main carrier of this oxygen and what nutrient throughout the body. Now let's talk about the heart itself. The heart. The heart. The heart is the chief organ of circulation. Why do we call it the chief organ of circulation? Because it does the main work, the pumping work of this system. Now, the heart is a fibromuscular organ. You understand? It's a fibromuscular organ located in the middle mediastinum. Located in the middle mediastinum. You know that this bone is called the sternal bone. The sternum. At the center of this mediastinum is where you see this heart. Okay? Mostly you see it on the left side. But in some cases you can see it on the right side for dextrocardians. So this heart, we said that it's a fibromuscular organ located in the middle mediastinum. The size of this heart is like a clenched fist. The size of the heart is like a clenched fist. Now, looking at this heart, there are some things special about this heart. The heart has 4 valves, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. These valves helps to prevent backflow of blood. The heart is so sensitive that it does not allow backflow of blood. Then on the heart, we have the heart is divided into two upper parts and 2 lower parts. The upper ones are called atria. The right and left atrium or atria, then the right and left ventricle. These parts or these chambers rather receives blood. Now, on the heart, the right atrium receives blood from the vena cava. Let me show you how it works. Now, please, because of time, I'm going to use a single drawing to explain the function of the heart and the lungs in circulation and how the vessels function. Now, look at this. Please, this is just a diagram to summarize what I'm talking about. Okay? Okay? You can see this. Now, let's assume that it is divided into 4 the heart into 4 chambers. Then there's a valve here, there's another valve here, there's a valve here, and there is a valve here. Let's call this the lungs. The lungs. Okay? And this the body. Our body. Now, the body produces blood, but this type of blood is called deoxygenated blood. There is no oxygen in it, and such blood is not needed by the organs to function, because at all times I myself, you, every other living thing needs oxygen to survive. We know that every other living organism or animal needs oxygen, especially we humans. We need oxygen to survive. Now, let's look at this. The body produces blood, but this type of blood, like I said before, is called deoxygenated blood. Then this blood travels from the body to the heart. You see this? You can see what I'm doing. It travels from the body to the heart. Remember, I told you that this drawing is it's just to summarize it. You understand? I'm just using a single drawing to show the function of the body, the lungs, and the heart during circulation. So when the body produces blood, it can be from our bones. When this blood is being produced, there is no oxygen in this blood. It can even be from maybe vegetables or anything. Do you understand? This type of blood do not have oxygen, so we call them deoxygenated blood. So this oxygenated blood travels from the body. You can see the arrow. Through the superior and inferior vena cava. Vena cava. Okay? Now, when this deoxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, sorry, our body is very small, so bear with us. Now, this deoxygenated blood travels from the body through the vena cava into the right atrium of the heart, into the right atrium of the heart. When this